Hi folks, this is Tony from iForm Builder. With iForm 6.0 right around the corner, I'd like to take a few moments and walk you through the new interface and updates that we've added. To start out, we're going to show you that now you can sync from the form menu. And so if I swipe down on my iPhone, you'll see it says release to refresh. And very similar to the manage interface, we can swipe down to actually grab changes from the server. In this case, I got a new form, and so you'll see that it tells me that I've completed, and I can dismiss the message as I'm accustomed to. So this should save some time rather than going back to the settings screen to perform a sync. You can just swipe down from the form menu. With that out of the way, let's take a look at a new scanning feature that we've added. There's a new technology called Manatee Works that we've incorporated into iForm. This is a new widget in the platform that you'll have to add if you want to take advantage of this. Manatee Works allows you to discriminate what type of symbology you want to support. Um, Really what this allows you to do is to say, for this barcode widget, I only want to support this one or two symbologies. It allows the scanning engine to process the barcode a lot faster, rather than checking to see which barcode format it is and then handling that appropriately. For our leak capture example, I'm using a PDF 417 Manatee control, and we'll go ahead and show you how that works. So I just tap on the field, it opens up the camera very similar to the red laser control that you're used to seeing, and it'll go ahead and scan that code. I'm actually passing some of the data from my driver's license into this full name field, and so it's really just a reference to this this driver scan DL widget above, and so I'm doing scan DL.name and the dynamic value to pass that down. We're going to go ahead and say that we're interested in a follow-up to show off a new feature, which is the previous to next control menus. And this is going to allow you to navigate through your questions hopefully a lot quicker. So what you can see is once I type in my name here, I can go ahead and hit next. It actually does a quick transition back to the record view and then takes me into my next widget. So I'll put my phone number in here, and then I realized that, oh, I made a mistake, so let's actually go back to my email and change Tony to truth. And we'll just verify that I did in fact get my phone number correct. It is all good, so we'll press next one more time. And what you'll notice is that since we've hit the end of the form, it's actually stopping us here so that we can review our data before pressing done. So I'll go ahead and complete this record, sync to the server, just like you're used to. And again, just like the form menu, you can actually pull to swipe from the record view as well. So if someone assigns you a record, you don't have to navigate all the way back to the settings screen. You can pull the menu down now to grab the sync. With the features out of the way, we just want to take a step back and take a look at the settings screen. We've rearranged some of the content here. Should be very clean and straightforward. Effectively, we've just moved the about information down a section. So the version, the memory usage, and the show welcome screen option are all still here. They've just been moved down a little bit. So that's about it, other than some refreshed icons and the buttons not having the picture framing around them to comply with iOS 7 design principles. That's what iForm 6.0 is going to do for you. One thing that I did not show here is also the ability to download HTML files locally. We currently support PDF, MOV, and MP4 files. With iForm 6.0, you will also be able to download HTML attachments for offline use. So look forward to this update in the next coming weeks, and if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to get a hold of us either through our help desk or stop by and chat with us. Thanks everyone, and have a great weekend.